What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, I need to request every single person watching to please like, comment, share, subscribe. Have a look at every single video, click the bell icon, all that good stuff. Let me know what you think of the videos. Also, I've got a Discord, link is below. Join it if you want. And yeah, let's get straight into this one. That nasty box that I really don't like. So the Move to Zero box, that just explains that Move to Zero is Nike's journey towards zero carbon and zero waste to help protect the future of sport. And then it also says this product is made with at least 20% recycled content by weight, which reduces weight and our carbon footprint. The important bit, the sticker. The sticker, this is from the company I've purchased these trainers from. So they've kind of changed it up a bit. So it's Nike Court Vision Low, and then it says better. I'm not sure why. Probably the name of them. And then UK 9430, which is 43. It also does say at the top W and B and man-made, so that's just white and black. Another thing I don't like about this box is, apart from one time, they've always had no tissue paper. So that's, I don't know what it is, it just seems so plain, so boring. But let's just review the shoe. So this is 20% recycled by weight. We'll get to the bottom, which has that kind of speckled effect, and it's all white, not usual on Court Vision lows. So I do believe that the bottom, because of these speckles, is the recycled part. I don't know why every recycled shoe always has speckles and stuff in it, just to kind of show everyone closer. It's not dirty, it's just speckles. That's a bit of dirt, but whatever. Yeah, speckles. Same with the midsole, speckles. And then the whole upper, literally the whole upper, is this kind of tumbled styled leather. Last time I saw this leather on a Jordan, I actually love that Jordan, but this is a bit less tumbled. The Jordan was more quality. Yeah, so it's throughout tumbled leather throughout, so from the heel, every single bit, even the toe wraparound, in that white tumbled style leather. The swoosh is black in that same leather, so that tumble styled leather. The heel tag or the heel tab, same white with stamped in and then painted Nike. Same on this side, black swoosh. Then we've got a standard pair of Nike laces, obviously in white. And then this tongue, which gives me major Jordan 1 vibes, whatever. Court Vision on the tongue, which is the name, and then the Nike. And now I'm going to kind of tell everyone something controversial. It may be controversial. I don't know what kind of opinions or whatever people have after I say this. I really don't care. I'm not trying to trend. I'm not trying to be unique. It is just my opinion. I prefer these over any Jordan 1 low or dunks. So I literally prefer this shoe over Jordan 1 lows, whether it be OG or whether it be the other version. Any Jordan 1 low, I don't like. These I think are better, in my opinion. A lot of people have said, oh, bootleg Air Force Ones, all that stuff. It's cool for you to have your own opinion, but, sometimes grow out of that, sheep behavior, whatever you want to call it. These are proper, man. These need to be respected separately, respected on their own. And yeah, I really do like them. They are massively growing on me now. Like, really, really good shoe, man. Way better than the Jordan 1. More sturdy. Way better, I'll be honest. But yeah, I don't really have too much more to say. I'm just a casual all white with a black swoosh, bit of tumbled leather. Let me know what you think, people. Tell me if you like them, tell me if you hate them, tell me if you rate them, tell me if you've got them. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Watch every other video, bell icon. Have a look at the Discord if you want to join. Wait a few seconds, you'll see an on-foot video. I'll also post an on-foot video separately. But that's all from me. Take care, people.